Ko au kamake arera. Arera te mimiti nui. Te tū erere ki tū ora. E tapere ko pokuinu. E nua ko tumu te varovaro. E awa te itai ko mango nui. Te reri anga vairua ki pō. E maunga te uta ko tapu tārangi. Arara ki te opunga. Ko au te papa, te tumu enua. Kare au e neke. E tumu aki au na te enua. Ai e kuko!
I roto i tētai au kōrero, ko teia maunga ko te iku o te rangi. Me kore, ko te atarau teia a te au atua. Me kore ara, ko te ara teia ki te rangi. E piri anga tō teia maunga ki te maunga hikurangi i Aotearoa, e pērā katoa te maunga hiurai i Taiti. I teia rā, ka tau tāau i te piki i teia maunga, kia kite au e atau runga i te take. Ko teia te piki anga āka anga roa atu ki a mātou i teia epitoma. E tāri wā te pai i teia maunga. Aurake e tāmata atu i te piki ki runga i teia maunga, me kāre koe i papa, me kore ara, me kāre koe e māro iro i ana. Ka aere mātou kiuta i te o tūpapa, nā runga i te au tuaiwi. Ka taeria e mātou te teitei, a anere varunga uru mā 5 metera. Ko Pāpā Mike teta i taunga nui o Rarotonga. E tumu kōrero aia, e tangata atu pūrua, e tangata pēni, e taunga taratarai, e te tangata tanutanu.
Kia ora nei te atua karo, me te kamata te ariki mai i Patianga kia totua tau. Taku uianga mua. Aka arawei mai koe, ko ai koe?
O tōku ingoa e kite te tātou o Michael Tavion. Tōku ingoa tika ko ngātai e mitaera te tuakaro. Ko tōku pāpā tōna ingoa tika ko te rangi nui o iwa. O te rangi nui o kiwa. Ka reo i te tōku ingoa i tāpenga mai e Michael Tavion. Tērā, kua pipiri mai o ki tā ingoa ki runga i aku te tijara ko tōku ingoa rai. Te ingoa te tuakaro, ko te aiteanga te karo e te akono, take care. And te tua, that is God. No te tai tumu kariki te ia, ko tōku ingoa Papa Michael, ko te aiteanga rei. Simira ki tōku, aitiri ki tōku ingoa Māori, ko te aiteanga. Ano ia ki parikora i Rarotonga nei. Ko tōku mama ko Pi, ko tōnu papa Witchman, Enere Witchman. Mga ia tōku mama e te Rarotonga, e te taia tea. Ko tōku papa e atiu, e Rarotonga first. Atiu, pora, raia tea. Ko tōku tupu mai ngā te rā.
Kia mai koe te i roto ikurangi i roto i tōu papaanga, i roto i tōu.
Tāku granddaughter tōna ingoa te pua te tero ikurangi. Ka tēne ka revive i e tra ingoa after ono anere mataiti at least.
Mani, tai mai ki tōku uianga ko ai tōu maunga, ko ai tōu au maunga i Rarotonga nei.
E tērā ku maunga o ikurangi. Tōku tūpuna, lona ingoa te pua te tero ikurangi. Ko te maunga tapu te rā i te kukaene, e tai rā maunga tapu ko ikurangi.
O ikurangi?
Nea. Ikurangi, te tumu i tapu e te maunga, no te mea i tō te Māori ākaranga. No te kiokio i te maunga, ko te te ingoa I kurangi, te aiteanga, kangatawa the tail of the sky. Me ko te rā te iku o te rangi, te aiteanga, karoke a koe te ere tu kirunga, nā te iku kirunga I te atua. Then, no ria te tapu, I akariro ia te rā maunga maunga tapu, because kangatawa, it's my choice ka tapu rātu te rā maunga. But no te ingoa, ko te aiteanga, mi te mea nei, ko te pirianga te rā o te maunga ki te atua. Noi, kanga iku o te rangi, ka re iku o te maunga, iku o te rangi, ko te rangi te connect mai.
Kua tae te tuātou no te piki atu I teia maunga ko Ikurangi. Ko te rima teia o te maunga tā mātou I piki I teia epitoma. Te mamai nei tōku kōpapa, I nā rā, te ara nei rai tōku manako. Ko tōku mā roi me roto mai I tōku ngāko parau e pērā tōku inangaro I tōku iti tangata e tōku tūranga Māori.
Tiko nei mātou I te reo o tūpapa. We're going to commence our hike up to the mountain Ikurangi today. And again, we've got some people who joined us, so get a bit of introduction. Ko ai koutou, maybe starting with Miri.
Kia rana koutou, ko Miriam o tōku ingoa. I'm fortunate enough to join this project again on another mountain, Ikurangi. This will be the second time I've climbed it, but as a child, it's been a very long time, so we'll see how I go on this trip.
Kia rana, ko Jana tōku ingoa, climbing again today, and this one's a bit special to me because this is my family land around here, and it's my first time climbing, so it'll be good today.
My name is William, I'm from Sweden, and we are just here to experience the nature.
And my name is Mia, I'm also from Sweden, I'm William's mother, and we didn't want to miss seeing some peace and great nature here.
E taki.
Here we are, at the top of Ikurangi, Te Uku o Te Rangi. So it was a pretty challenging climb, clear tracks, but when we got up to the ridge line that we're on now, really tested our ability to handle heights. It's also really windy, so there were times when, I felt like it was a bit dodgy. And Miriama, how did you find this hike compared to Maungatea that we did the other day?
In terms of like the nature of the mountain, so this was definitely more predominantly a constant incline, so you're just going up the whole way pretty much, but definitely offers a lot more variety compared to Maungatea in terms of, I guess, the track being really clear. Like compared to Maungatea, we're on the ground most of the time, whereas here it's pretty cool just to be consistently going up a clear path. And yeah, as Liam was saying, coming up to the small clearings to where we can see the ridge line, and it's just a clear drop on either side, and that is a good reminder to, of course, be safe and just be wary about coming up these tracks. We're very blessed and very lucky to have these available to us, and also just keeping in mind, like, having that respect, coming up the track.
Jana, coming from Tupapa and from the Ngāti of this area, how does it feel for you being able to say you've now hiked Ikurangi?
It's really a really great climb, and it's quite special being able to say yes, I've been up here, and there's something special about being down in the valley and then coming up and looking down, and it's so untouched. So it's nice that I'll take these memories and be able to do this hike a lot more often.
William, first time hiking in Rarotonga in the Pacific?
At home we have a lot different mountains because they are much older, so they aren't that
like steep and sharp edges and stuff. So it has been a fun adventure being here, discovering a tropical island. Never been on a tropical island before, and seen the nature. And I think it's just amazing being here.
So here we are, Te Iku o Te Rangi, and I really do feel a lot closer to heaven right now. Hawaiians talk about there's places high in the mountains they call Wao Akua, which is like dwelling place of gods, and you're often left alone. I feel like this is like one of our equivalent of a Wao Akua, and feel privileged to be here, but also wanting to be very respectful.
Kua tae mai au ki te openga o tōku airenga. Kua aere mātou ki uta ki tō tātou pāmaunga. Kua kite mātou i te mekameka e te mānea o te au maunga. Kua rauka I aku I te taratara aere atu I tētai au kōrero o tō tātou ipukarea. Kua kite au I te mauri o te pāmaunga e te mana o tō tātou uitupuna. Kua tuatua katoa atu au ki tētai o tō tātou kautaunga. Nō reira, ka ora ua atu rai tā tātou o kōrero taito. Ko tātou te toke inua o tumu te warawaro, te tiaki o tō tātou pāmaunga, no te tuātau ki mua, kia aka perepere tātou I teia.